Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. And if you find this information helpful or useful, make sure you share it with your co-workers and colleagues and friends. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started with the video. This week's safety topic is ergonomics. Ergonomics literally means the rules of human strength. Engineers interested in the design of work environments originated the word in the 1950s. Today, the purpose of ergonomics in the workplace is to create a better match between workers, the work they perform, and the equipment they use. A good match increases worker productivity and reduces ergonomic injuries. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 34% of all lost workday injuries and illnesses are work-related musculoskeletal disorders, also known as WMSDs. WMSDs are a result of a bad match between the worker, the work they perform, and the equipment they use. More common names for WMSDs include repetitive stress injuries, cumulative trauma disorders, tennis elbow, white fingers, and the most common of all, carpal tunnel syndrome. Ergonomics is the applied science of equipment design and arrangement intended to maximize productivity by reducing operator fatigue and discomfort. Injuries related to ergonomics are those caused by overuse, impact, vibration, repetition, or forceful exertion. Largely, injuries of the body's musculoskeletal system. These injuries include carpal tunnel syndrome, bursitis, tenosynovitis, tinnitus, and others. These problems affect the muscles, ligaments, and tendons, as well as the nerves and blood vessels. Nearly every type of work or occupation has the potential for causing WMSDs. To prevent these injuries, it is important to understand the factors that contribute to them. Ergonomic factors refer to workplace conditions that pose the risk of injury to the musculoskeletal system of the worker. Factors that contribute to the development of WMSDs include force, the strength to perform a task; repetition, the frequency or number of times a task is performed during a shift; posture, positioning of the body to perform a task; vibration, this might come from overuse of power hand tools; and temperature, extreme temperatures are more harmful to the body. There's duration, the amount of time in a workday spent performing work tasks, and non-work related issues such as health, lifestyles, hobbies, and sports may add to the ergonomic risk factors. Here are some symptoms of these injuries: painful joints, pain, tingling or numbness in the hands or feet, pain in the wrist, shoulders, forearms, or knees, back or neck pain, fingers or toes turning white, shooting or stabbing pains in the arms or legs, swelling or inflammation, stiffness, weakness or clumsiness in hands, burning sensations and heaviness. Reducing WMSDs and or the severity of WSMDs include reduce repetitive or duration when possible. Job rotation can help. Understand what is adjustable at your work site. Report work-related pain and discomfort, and when necessary, get a medical evaluation. Give suggestions for ergonomic job improvements. Exercise and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Use good ergonomic principles at home as well as at work. Keep your work area organized and the area as clean as possible. It's important to remember to observe all work tasks associated with your job, because each task may have a risk factor. WMSDs can be associated with a combination of risk factors from multiple tasks. Report early symptoms. Repetitive motion injuries are a growing concern in the workplace. Anyone who experiences numbness, tingling, or pain in the hands, arms, or neck should seek the advice of a supervisor. Changes in workstations and equipment can often alleviate these problems before they become chronic, and medical attention should be sought if the problem persists. Following this simple advice can help eliminate physical stress and keep employees feeling good all day. Remember this: awkward positions is an unsafe condition. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety-related videos, and leadership training videos. If you find this information useful, make sure and share it with your friends, colleagues, and coworkers. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself, because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and remember, I will see you in the field. Let's see, CPU 3.7, 2997. All right, let's go. Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up to encourage me to More common names for WMSDs include largely injuries of the body's muscular system are those injuries.
What?
Pain, tingling, or numbness in the head. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for stopping by. And if you find this information useful, or if you find this information useful, boy, I flubbed that up a time or two. Alright, I'll try and edit it out. If you watch to the very, very end, I'll leave some Easter eggs and you can take a look at them and tell me how pretty they are, or you can tell me I did a pretty terrible job. Doesn't really matter, but if you want to, take a look at them. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a grateful day. I'll see you in the field. Stop recording.